Hey guys, what's going on? All right, today I'm gonna try my first ever time of cooking, smoking beef cheeks, barbacoa. All right, normally, traditionally, it's done with a whole beef head in the ground or the beef cheeks themselves in a crock pot, in a roasting pan, the oven inside the house. A few guys been doing them on the smoker, on the grill. I'm gonna do mine today on the GMG Daniel Boone pellet smoker. Thing's amazing. It's gonna be fun. All right, gonna season them up with my Texas Trinity, salt, pepper, garlic, and onion, and my new Texas beef hog. Guys, this combination is killer. Leave a link below in the description on how to get yours. Yeah, if you haven't tried it, I know a few of you out there have tried the SPGO, my Texas Trinity. Love it. Good reviews on it. But the Texas beef hog is new here, new for everybody to try. All right, cool. As always, stick around. All right, guys. You can see here we got our beef cheeks. Done a good trim on them. I didn't show it because it's very boring, but I was able to trim a lot of fat. Actually, wound up throwing about half of what I bought in the trash due to the fat. A little bit of membrane left, but a lot of it is gone. That's it. That's what we at with right now. I'm going to say it's probably about maybe 3 or 4 pounds. All right, first we're going to season it up with the Texas beef hog. So you can see this has a traditional color. Very good stuff. Now this has sea salt, black pepper, garlic, chili powder, paprika, sugar, Cuban, onion, and other little spices. And I know I did say onion. That's when you come back with our Texas Trinity. Knock some more of that on there. Very aggressive granules, as you can see. And again, this is some good stuff, guys. I'm gonna pat this down a little bit. Flip them over. You can see the membranes there a little bit, but not much. And so this is gonna give us some good tacos. Never done it. I've seen it. It looks amazing. We're gonna give it a shot. I know we're gonna do good with it. I can feel it. SPG. Those granules there. Brother James over at Aiming and Claiming's calling this SPG on steroids. I like that. And yeah, it's kind of what it is. It's kind of what it is. No more there. All right, we're gonna get these wrapped up. Gotta get them, let them sit for a little while, and then we'll get them on the smoker. All right, gonna let them sit for probably, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 minutes, and then we'll put them on the grill. All right, our temp's at 250. It's been holding there for about 20 minutes. Staying nice and hot. Sprayed my grills with just some vegetable oil, just so they don't stick. The fan's kicking on now. Cheeks over here. Just gotta lay them out, let them get some smoke. That's it. Gonna do their thing. What we're gonna do is gonna let them sit for 2 hours at 250. See what they look like after that. I'll check them in about an hour. And all right, so it's been an hour and a half. And oh yeah, they've got some color. Check it out. Good color on there. Gonna give them another 30 minutes, just a little bit darker so they get a little bark on them. Cool. All right, shut her down. Okay, we are running at 275. It's been exactly 2.5 hours. If you can see here, I've got a beef broth, some onions, some garlic, threw in some serrano peppers, and I've got some jalapeno peppers in here that I'm just gonna throw in the solution here. And then we're gonna get our beef cheeks. See that color? Good color. Set them in the pan. And another beef cheek. Set it in that pan there. Good color on all these guys. Not bad at all. Come back in. Grab that one. Like that. This last one here. There we go. That's it. All right. Now we're gonna get these to the tray over here and cover them up. All right, we've got these here, sitting in that solution. That onion, they are tender, got a good extra bark on them. We're gonna cover them up, put them back on the smoker, and we're gonna leave it alone for at least 4 hours. Again, running 275. All right, let's get them back on the pit. All right, put these back on here just like that. Again, about 4 hours, we'll come back and check it. And it'll be time. Cool. All right, hey guys, quick recap. All right, beef cheeks. Got them trimmed up, that much fat as I could get off of them. Took membrane, silver skin. Lost about half of the weight that I actually bought in the packages, which is cool. Running on the GMG Daniel Boone pellet smoker, running mesquite flavored pellets. Got a good smoke on there, 250 degrees for 2.5 hours. Got that nice little bark on those cheeks. I then put them in a foil pan with a little beef broth, some onion, serrano peppers, jalapeno peppers, and some garlic. Got them covered up, holding at that 250 temp. We're gonna come back and check it in about 4 hours. Should be, mushy, melty. We'll see. We'll see what it looks like in 4. If it's gotta go longer, it's gotta go longer, right? It's ready when it's ready. But that's where we're at right now, and we'll come back in about 4 hours, take a look, see where it's at. All right, see y'all back in a bit. All right, guys, we are 5 hours after wrapping in foil. Okay, let's take a look, see where we're at here with these. I did come out earlier about an hour ago, and I rotated the tray just to get a better look for better cooks. As you can see, that does look bubbling, and that is super tender. Look at that. This is ready, guys. This is ready. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take the meat out, put it in another tray, and we'll shred it. Okay, give me another tray. Let me go grab another tray, and we'll go from there. Cool. Go to the next step. Awesome. Now, guys, we are 7 hours in our total cook. You can see the temperature's steady, 275. Hopper, pellets in the hopper. It's an 18-pound hopper. Okay, 7 hours. I filled this up when I started, and that's where we're at in 7 hours. I think that is a good, efficient run of pellets. You can't tell me you're gonna get a quicker burn or safe pellets. I mean, this thing is really, really efficient on fuel like no other. Really is. Just thought I'd throw that in there, guys. All right, guys, let's get this off of the smoker, this grill. Take a look at that. It's kind of dark there, and I can't really see. That piece in there. Other piece in here. I'm not going to use any of the jus, any of the onions. That was all just to give it flavor. We're going to dress these tacos up. Traditional pico de gallo. Maybe some guacamole. That's it. As far as that goes. That is looking really, really good. There we go. Look at that. And then we're gonna just kind of pull it. See that color? See that smoke ring? Barbacoa with a smoke ring. Never thought I'd do it. That's pretty awesome. That's just, yeah, cheek meat. It's gonna be good, guys. It smells really, really well. All right. All right. What I am gonna do, one more thing, is I will throw some more of the Texas Trinity on it. Stir it up one more time. And that'll be it. I'm gonna get this covered foil from here and cover the pan just so it stays a little warm. Let it rust just a little bit. I'll get our pico all made up and ready to go. All right, awesome. All right, hey guys, barbacoa time, man. On a pellet grill. Who would have thought, right? Hey, I would have thought. Look at that. Oh, they look good. I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a shot. I'm hungry. Been a long day. Been a long day. Look at that there. That's barbacoa. That is greasy. That's traditional barbacoa. And I gotta admit, I like that grease. But this is killer, don't get me wrong. I'll definitely do this again. I recommend you guys do it again. You got a Green Mountain Grill, knock it out. Stick burner, whatever else you got. But hey, barbacoa time. Knock it out of the park. That was good. Should have done this a long time ago. Should have done a long time ago. Guys, appreciate y'all, everybody. Like to give a shout out to Brother Joe, Smoking Joe's Pit Barbecue, who got me thinking on it. Brother Alton, Brother James. You know who you guys are. You know who you are. Barbacoa tacos on the smoker. Smoked barbacoa. Guys, Green Mountain Grill, loving it. Daniel Boone, loving it. Smoked barbacoa, I'm really loving it. Y'all be cool. Catch you on the next one. Later.